For the better part of 2020, we have been planning a trip to Colorado. In this series of videos, we'll share with you our stories of cooking, camping, exploring in our InTech Pursue trailers. We hope you enjoy. We are still at Piney River Ranch, which is a small piece of private property in the middle of the White River National Forest. We found a dispersed campsite right next door. Piney River Ranch sits right at the base of Piney Lake and the Gore Mountain Range. The resort has horseback riding, cabins, glamping, a restaurant, canoe rentals, and access to some really cool trails. If you're in the area, you should check it out. We're up at Piney River Ranch. I'm having ice cream over this beautiful lake. These mountains in the background. And that's all I got to say about that. Well, I tell you, it is interesting how the weather swings up here. When the sun is out, it's about 90 degrees, and as soon as the clouds come in and there's a bit of a breeze, it'll drop down to about 70. It's been in the 40s at night, which is great for sleeping. We've just been enjoying. We're cooking some great meals, taking a few little hikes, looked around, took a little dip in the river here, which was very refreshing. So we're just having a good time up here. Having some generator issues at altitude that we didn't anticipate. And if I had read my manual, I would have known that that might have been a problem. So nothing deal breaking for us, but I'll do a little update during this video to talk about generators and altitude, which probably a lot of you know about, but some of you might not. So anyhow, I'll catch up with you in just a little bit.
So ready for the review. So this is how it looks coming out of the inside parts. Then we'll make it look good. Yeah. Everything perfect. You get this now. It's half red, 3/4 red, and the rest are green. Rice going, Colombian lentils going. We're gonna eat good today. Oh.
pork belly rice soup. It is amazing.
Yeah, any good? I know we spent a lot of time on cooking on this one, but I really felt like I didn't capture a whole lot of the amazing meals that Julio cooked. So we really enjoyed this pork belly lentil soup that he made that was served over rice. If you guys want the recipe, leave a comment and stay tuned for part 4 coming up soon. We hope you're enjoying.